Here we go. Round 2 of the day. I'm so sorry that my hand is in your face. Apologies. That's a garbage bag. You guys are a little crooked and I'm just trying to fix you. So sorry. Is that okay? Oh, you're still bouncing. Let's remove anything. I think we're okay. Okay. Oh, hi, if you're new here. I'm so bad at this sometimes. My name is Alicia, and the name of our channel is Naughty by Nature. And in case you watch this video or the one before, so the one before, I'm literally recording this video right after the one before, and that is why I am still wearing my loved John 3:16 sweatshirt. I sometimes do that because my schedule doesn't always allow me to record a video right in a moment kind of deal. So I pre-record so that I not constantly, but I am ready to go when it comes to uploading a video. Let's just say that it makes me feel less stressed if I do it in advance. Okay. So our friend Billy is one of our girls. Even if you're a guy, she's one of our girls, okay? And Billy is one of my helpers. She gives me helpful advice and information. And one of the advice and information she gave me was that I should try and look into one of these. It's some type of gimbal device, and I know I wrote it on here somewhere. I wrote it. Okay, I was able to get this for, I don't see it written here, but I remember that I was able to get it for, I don't know, I got some kind of discount. I know it's like she's lying. She's always saying that she gets some kind of discount. Trust and believe that I am so cheap, I swear. So if I cannot get some kind of a large discount on things that cost, up there in price, I just don't buy it at all. So I did get this for half price, and because it was $40, and I was able to get it for $26. And I am trying to get it out of the box. It's just supposed to be a slide one, but gotta make everything difficult. But the reason Billy suggested it to me is because I'm going to be taking you guys on ATV rides and boat rides, and now the ATV thing, I wouldn't know how. I mean, I have to worry. I won't be holding it. I guess if I'm going not fast, I could hold it. But I have a stand that is on my ATV. So it is supposed to help with a little bit with the shaking, but you're gonna feel like you got a little shook up while you were on ATV. But this is for when we are on the boat. Okay? Because it's supposed to like stabilize the video so that when the video is going and the boat is, at full speed and bouncing around, It's supposed to make it so that that's not affected. Or maybe not as affected. I'm not really sure. So this is your power button. Come on, do your thing now. Maybe it needs to be charged. Normally, when I do that, it automatically starts turning and spinning and being where I want it to be. Yeah, I think it needs to be charged because it's flashing. Or maybe it's trying to connect to my phone. Mode. Okay. I'm going to plug this in to charge. And then when I'm done hauling everything else, we will come back to it and see if it responds differently, if it's gotten more charged. I mean, I don't actually know if it needs charged. It could just be that it was trying to, with the flashing lights, it could just be that it was trying to connect to my phone. I don't really know. Honestly, I've got a whole little book here. Now, most of that is not in the English language. I'm sure that somewhere in here is English, I'm sure. And also, it comes with where you can screw this part in and, you know, it can sit on a stand like this. So that's cool. And it does come with a charger. But anyways, we will look at that again. Want to see my underpants? Oh God, I'm so done. And these ones were... where'd you put your glasses, lady? They're around here somewhere. Right here. These were $6.30. I must have really liked them. Because this is only a pack of 3. So they're silky. And they might be a little bit too big, but I don't know. This is what I call granny panties. But yeah, I still think they're cute. But holy smokes, that is a whole lot of booty coverage, ain't it? These are my you ain't getting none underwear. Dad, if you're listening, plug your ears. I don't really like the white ones as much, but yeah. Oh, it says Cherry Garden Day. All right. Okay, we'll stick these over here. Yeah, that's that. Itchy nose, itchy nose. Okay, these are, I think, a pair of shorts, and they were $7.59. Okay, you guys know how I am about my legs, how they sag. Like, okay, it's not just an inner thigh sag, okay? Girl, it's it's saggy like all the way down to my knees. Okay, there was a lot of skin there that had to go somewhere, so now it just gravity. So I wanted to find some shorts that were dressier, you know, to go along with some of my dressier shirts. Okay, when I say dressier, it's because this woman right here, she is a t-shirt wearer. I wear a lot of t-shirts and biker shorts, leggings. Very rarely do I actually, now if we're going out for the day, going out to eat, yeah, I do all the things and make myself look oh so fancy. But in general, no, I do not. I'm a very lazy dresser person. But look at this. Look how these are lined. They are double lined. Shut up. But these ones look kind of short. So I don't know about that. When I saw them, I was paying attention to the lace down here, and I thought that would add length to the short. But girl, they're looking a little bootylicious to me. At least in my standards. You know, when I was a young girl, bootylicious meant up here, but when you're going to be 47, bootylicious is this length. It's so dumb. And I did tell you. I told you the price. Born on the 4th of July. I don't actually know that whole song, so I probably shouldn't try and sing it. And you know where I even know about the song? It's because of Still Magnolias. This was $3.69, and that's probably why I bought it. Oh gosh. This will be interesting. I did think it was cute though. And it has like the, you know, ruffle looking patterns. It could be cute. You know, you're going out to the, like over here in our little used to be small town, we on the 4th of July, we go and watch the parade, and then the parade goes and ends at the city park, and then there's activities at the park. There's, you know, they have a stage set up for performances. The local like gymnastics and dance teams and bands, all that thing. And then there's good food, and some people set up booths. But I mean, I wish they would do it at a different park, if I'm being honest. The city park is, you know, a lot of the grass is like dirt, and it's very uneven. I just think that there are so many other parks in town that are much more beautiful. So I don't like that they end there at that park. And we'll also have to see where it's going to hit me and the length. And I'm definitely, which I would be wearing shorts under this anyways, but definitely going to need something, because this here, you know, the elastic band, just sitting on my skin would make me, that would make me crazy. Okay. Oh, I didn't write the price on this. That was... I'm surprised I didn't. I'm not sure why I didn't. This... Okay, so I had already put it together, obviously. That's why it's like partially out of the box and bigger than the box. Oh, I'm gonna have such a mess to clean up. Especially after doing 2 hauls. Stop bouncing. Don't bounce, guys, okay? Just hold on. Okay. So, I don't obviously need those in there anymore. Okay. So, this can be used for cereal. Dog food. Now, let's keep it real. If you have a small dog, or you could even use it for cat food if you wanted to. Rice, beans, anything that's relatively small that can, you know, fit through. So we'll watch it. See how it slides over? Look, be looking down here at that gray piece. So that's how big your opening is. It's not very big. But, so this is what it will be caught in, and this goes into here. Then there's your lid. Yeah. I thought it was cute and useful. And I had to have it. And I wish I could say, so that if I could remind myself if it was a good deal or not. I wish I knew. Huh. Not like you can't look it up on your tablet. I just don't. I do feel bad when oh look, I think there's a motorcycle group going by. That sounded like a lot of motorcycles, not just one. That's why I said it like the way I was saying it. Anyways, it does make me feel bad when I don't know. I could totally pause you though. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna pause you, find it so I can tell you the price, and I'll be back. Okie dokie, artichoke. Well, I'm sure it's because I just feel under pressure to try and find it quickly, and I cannot find it. But if someone asks for me for the link, I will do my darndest to find it for you. Okie dokie. But there are several others on there to choose from. So if you just put in food dispenser, you will find yourself one, if you so choose. Oops. Bump them. Okay. Gonna stretch out. Yes, I already showed that. Oh, little Arlo. I kind of took apart my trash bag. Put that there. another pair of shorts that I thought would go with some of the shirts that I've purchased. And these ones have pockets. And look how long they are. So you got that little detail at the bottom, which is cute. How summery and cute do these look? Decent pocket. They're going to be nice and cool. They're like cooling to the touch. And I'm sure they're probably polyester because, you know, all the things are almost. Oh, I thought I had a tag. Now, you are going to need to wear like possibly some white nude thong if you do that underwear, because these are going to be see-through. Yeah, 100% polyester, but they'll be nice and cool for me for summertime. So, and they look like they are exactly the kind of length that I am after. Arlo, you got the zoomies, baby? I needed it. My other one broke. This one was $5.92. And yes, I actually really do use them. My back is so terrible. And so literally my back doctor, my physical therapist, they've told me to try and do all the things to not piss my back off. And so one of the things is bending over, pushing, pulling. There's a whole list. I could go on and on. But I wanted to see how the quality is of the ones on Temu, and this one actually does feel like it's going to be quite sturdy and of good quality. And it's my colors. Okay, so you push it in like so. Go, go, gadget. Arm. How do you make it lock? Is that a thing? Okay, maybe this one. No, it has to, because look, right? Or does this attach? Oh. That pulls out there as well. I thought that maybe it would lock. Let's try something. There's my little Easter slipper. Picked it up, no problem. It's staying in my grip, no problem. We love her. She's going to be helpful. Yeah, $5.92. I honestly do not know how much they are on like Amazon. I didn't research it to see, but I'm pretty sure that even at Walmart they're at least $10, and most likely the same on Amazon. Why did I throw my garbage bag down here? "24 minutes. So I got this one for Mike, and I will be getting myself one as well. This is for our sunglasses for the boat. And essentially, so let's say that you are on one of the water tubes or whatever, and your sunglasses go flying off. Well, this part here makes it so that they will float. And also, so picture it. Alicia docking the boat for the first time ever in life. This is during the time that, so I've never mentioned this, but my husband nearly had a heart attack, and we found out it's because he has AFib, and so he has an AFib. He had the AFib surgery, which AFib is where your heart beats too fast, and so, anyways, before we discovered that that's what it was, he was wearing a heart monitor. So Alicia is docking the boat, never done it before in life, and as we're, gliding at first very smoothly and slowly up to the dock, Mike is telling me, because there is like $100,000 boat at the dock, and he's telling me, whatever you do, don't hit that boat. Sir, then why would you choose to have me dock the boat when I have never done it ever before in life with however many $1,000 boat at the dock? So Mike has to get off of the boat because he needs to go up and get the truck so that we can load the boat. And so he says, don't hit that other boat. And so he, being the only one on the boat, so there's me, my kids, and my boss are on the boat. And so he's giving me this, pep talk. Don't hit the other boat and go up slowly so that you just bump the dock. Okay. So we're cruising along. Okay, so this is in the old boat, not the boat now. And okay, the gear shift, well, that was a 1978 boat. I am a 1978 version myself, and I know that things are a little sticky. I know I just said that. We're a little not smooth, okay? And so I go to get into neutral, and it won't smoothly go into neutral. I'm sorry, I'm eavesdropping on my son, and so I am trying to tell you this story plus listen to what's going on in the kitchen because I'm hungry, and I'm like, are they making something in there? Because food sounds good. I know, I'm always thinking about food. So it doesn't go into neutral. No. As my husband decides, even though I'm already starting to back up and there's a good distance between the boat and the dock, he decides to leap off to try and get onto the dock. You guys know where this is going, right? The truck keys are in his pocket. He's wearing the heart monitor. His cell phone is in his pocket. And yeah, so I go to put it into neutral. Well, it doesn't go into neutral. It goes into reverse. Reverse! Because all I can hear in my head is him saying, "Don't hit that boat." My husband hates cold water. In he goes. All those things in his pocket. Anyways, all that to say, these are floating sunglass. The, little doodad for your sunglasses. Although I'm very unsure, why is... Huh? So, I'm sure that there's... Yeah. Yep, see, there I go. Not using my brain, but I'm using it now, and now I realize how I can fix that problem. Now they're eavesdropping on my conversation. So I'm pretty sure that they heard me talking about the boat situation. Which they already know the story though, so it doesn't matter. It is kind of short. But it still works. It's still long enough, Might be annoying to him though. Because he's kind of little sensory issues with things like that. Did I tell you how much it was after all that gabbing? $1.53. Okay, so that's... I have like a whole... Well, now that the boat's got the cover off, I can starting to put this kinds of things in it. Okay. I just thought this was fitting. Ugh, that noise. Peace out, Girl Scout. It's like a little piece of abstract. Why does my ring keep turning? Art, but hello. Let's see. Cheese, queso, McDonald's. Food is on the mind. No, I don't want McDonald's though. I want French dip sandwiches. That is what is on the mind. This is another reason why I hate. Oh yes, let's just stick to all the things. Every single one of them. That was $10.10. Ooh. She hates it. No, I don't need a potty, but thanks for asking, honey.
Well, you're welcome, sweet mama.
I'm almost done, babe. I'm going to do this super fast. This is for my son. Oh, wait. No, before I show it, this is very inappropriate. And if you don't like inappropriate things or things that would be deemed as inappropriate, I want you to look away for just like 5 seconds. I won't even say it out loud. Just that. And it was $1.19. Next! Son! Oh, son! Oh, let's give it to him now. Let's... Son! Come hither. Yes, I'm making a video. Here, I got you a sticker.
Oh no. Babe.
I thought it was
Come
excellent.
here.
Eat a chunk of food in one bite the size of her head.
And look, they should also find these useful. Here, they haven't met you, Trina. If you so choose. You don't have to, though. It's totally up to you. But this is my future daughter-in-law. This is Trina.
Hi.
Anyways, this is for when you take a hot bowl out of the microwave and you don't want to touch it because it's hot. And so it goes in here. So when you put the bowl in there, though, you put it in here first because you know when you're going to go grab it, the bowl's going to be hot. So it already needs to be in here. And then...
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I chose the tropical version. Of course I did. They're so cute. Ta-da!
You're probably gonna wanna cut this part out.
$5.83. Pause. Okay, we back. Yeah, the kids were just talking to me about changing their destination of where to get married. Okay. Did I tell you guys for this 3-pack it was $5.83? And yeah. First of all, they're adorable, and I've run into that situation quite a few times. Oh, I'm heating up a bowl of chili and can't touch the bowl for however long because it's too hot. So I, for one, will be using them. Okay. These were one of those free items that were along with my... So I've gotten hit with that twice. Not hit with it, like, I like it. I like it. Give it to me. I've been blessed with the get 6 free. It ends up being 8. It always says you're only going to get 6, but I end up getting 8. And, you know, if you spend a certain amount of money, but I was able to get, I think there's 1, I'm going to have to count, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, so there's 10. But I am really a fan of these whole magnetic closures for necklaces. I find am I wearing one now? No, I'm not. But I find myself wearing necklaces more when it's just easy and convenient to put those on. But I also liked that they came in their own little container. So that will go over there to my jewelry area. Garbage. More garbage. Okay, summer is creeping in. It's, you know, we're starting to finally get a little spring weather, so for my 3-tier tray, I got some little summer ones. Summer. Now, you know, when you get these, you don't have to obviously try and cram all of them onto the 3-tier tray. You can pick and choose which ones that you want to put on there. You could, you could also use this somewhere else if you so choose. If you want to just lean it against something and display it like that, you could. So, for that pack of 6 pieces, it was $5.30. Now we're going to need a summer item bag. That will be our summer item bag. Got some more pajamas because I don't have enough. These were $7.27. Let's see. Love it. I love it so much. But yeah. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. This is a 2-piece set, and I paid $12.29 for it. Here is your top. And it is the like polyester / elastane blend. That's what I'm going to assume it is. No, not elastane. It's 5% spandex blend. But I just think it's cute, and you can totally add some nautical jewelry to this, which I've been hauling, and I will find some, and guess what? Pockets! And the shorts seem like they're workable. I think they are. So, super cute summer outfit for $12. Oh, my husband's watching a golf tournament on the TV now that he's home from his golf tournament. And that a boy. So if you hear him yelling, nothing is wrong. That's a good thing when he yells like that, okay? Oh, you know, men in their sports. Well, okay, I shouldn't say that. Because there are some women that are really into sports like that. I am not one of them women. But there are some women that are. I got some pillowcase covers for the boat. Okay, let's put that over there. seize the day. And these are the canvas. So while they're not nice to sleep on, they're good and sturdy and will last a long time for looks. This crew gets naughty. Because, I'm naughty. Naughty by nature. And so, yeah, we're going to do a thumbnail with this one. So sorry. Jeez. You have to be still for YouTube to catch it if you don't want to actually do a screenshot. Okay. This one was $2.48. Oh, and by the way, if you don't want to have to go out and buy all brand new pillows, what you do is this. You go to the Goodwill and you buy pillows that people have donated, and you generally, I'll look for, now, do I do this with every pillow? No. A lot of mine are actually brand new, but they can get expensive. So you get, and when it's not a pillow that people are going to be laying on, and it's just for decorative purposes, that's when I think that it's okay to use a used pillow case, a used pillow insert. But yeah, just get a lighter colored one that is not going to show through. And let's get naughty. Just in case I decide to use this one. But yeah, I mean, I literally don't think that you will be able to see a color through this because they're very thick and nicely made. All right, so to tell you how much the first two were. The first, for this 2-pack, it was $4.39. Great deal. And then, just for this single one, which I had to get this. I mean, come on. Had to. It was $2.48. So, really, it evens out to be about the same. We're going to call that a wrap for this one. But yeah, I hope that whenever you watch this, because I didn't really say that in my last video, and I'm so sorry. I hope that whenever you watch this, that it finds you well, no matter what time of day or night that ends up being. And I hope that things are going right for you in life, and if they're not, well, I'm sure that things will start looking up. All on how we choose to accept things and deal with things is also part of whether, basically nothing changes if nothing changes. And if you receive bad news or something terrible is going on in your life, or not to be dramatic, but it might be. I don't know. I don't know your life. I get, my back. It hurts so bad. Some days I do get down and I stay in bed all day long, and I feel sorry for myself, and I'm like, it's taken a part of my life away of things that I used to go and do and be and whatever, and I can't do things for as long as I used to, and I get down on myself and with life about those things. But it's okay to get down, but don't stay down. Like, so I might feel sorry for myself that day, but the next day you gotta get your ass up, stop feeling sorry for yourself, and change, change what you can. Obviously, I can't, and you can't sometimes change the situation, but it's how we deal with it that matters, actually. And, do I pray like I should? No, but, a lot of people will say that the power of prayer is a good thing. So if that's your thing, then try that. Try all the things we need to try. So if you get down, don't stay down. Like I said, get back up and come over here and hang out with us. Yeah, so that's enough of my pretend preaching, because I'm not good at it, so I need to quit while I'm ahead. But I do want you to come over here and have a good time and hang out and forget about your worries for 45 minutes at least. I love you guys, and I will see you super soon. Take care of yourself. Peace out, Girl Scout. Okay, you are now on the gimbal. Ooh, let's not go to that lighting. That's terrible lighting. This is the thing that I said that I needed to charge up before showing you guys, but I guess I can't really show you it without, I think my phone needed to be on it for me to, I'm so sorry. It's Diet Pepsi's fault. For me to actually kind of take you on a ride. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's not look at my asbestos ceiling. That's a bad idea. Come back down here. Okay, so basically when you're on the boat, this will make it so that it moves slowly and is supposed to help out with, okay, I'm still learning it. I don't really know what I'm doing. Help. Oh, that's nice. Oh, it's gonna show you the team mess. Oh, okay. You're not being very helpful, Mr. Gimbal. Mr. Gimbal, come back. No, this way. Okay, guys, I need to read instructions. So, that's all I can show you for now. I believe that you can watch a video of it. I can't hold you still. On Temu, or if you just Google it. Okay, are you guys getting seasick yet? Because it's just spinning anyway and every way. Oh no! Oh, hello. It's going any way that it wants to. Oh, look. See that mirror? Oh, bless it. What is it doing? Okay, I'm sick now. That's enough. Peace out, Girl Scout. I was trying to show you a mirror that I actually got at the, okay, you know how Sheriff Peace, she does the, Amazon auction things? Well, I've started doing it as well. Okay, we're getting way too close to these wrinkles. And I got this mirror that is normally, it's not too expensive. It's normally $32 on Amazon. And I got it for, I believe it was under $10. And then eventually I'll show you. I haven't set it up yet. I got a 24-inch nautical mirror for in the living room. It is $60 on Amazon, and I got it for I want to say like 13. So yeah, it's a whole thing. And this is my second time doing it, because the first time I got a litter box for Arlo. Arlo. A litter box for Arlo that it's like enclosed, and on the top it has a scratching post thing, and you can pull out the drawer to Yeah. I am being bothered by all the things right now. A pull-out drawer just so you can change the litter. Easy access, I guess. That might have been the only thing I got that day. I can't remember. Anyways, I'm gonna go. Love ya. Bye. Peace out, Girl Scout.